So I'll just turn off this effect Vegas. There's one more thing in the last right on. So
Mwena gamate site kufuneka involve wena.
okay. So for this again you have to go with you need to do masking. That's okay. So I'm selecting certain things. You can anyhow modify this at any point of time. Okay. Now brush position and all you can change. You can take this brush position and all. Size. Stroke length. So when you mention something, you can see there's a movement here. In the brush behind, there is a white paint also. Okay. So right on, I'll remove the mask. Okay. I'll just show you. See now, just right click right on under generate. So go to generate, take the last one right on. Right on is over here. So it's all about brush size. I think there is the size. So come over here. So now key this brush position. Key this brush position and just move to 5 seconds. Just bring. Okay, you can see things here. So stroke length you increase, the thickness, and brush size you can increase for this. Okay, color you can define, whatever color you want you can give. Okay, what I'll do here, let me place this here at, it's here. Okay, fine. Now you play. See. The speed lights and all you can create using this. For example, other one. Okay, now let me create one more. Breast position I'm keeping here. Okay. Okay. So anyhow, you can change the colors and all later. So increase the size, hardness also increase, stroke length, let me reduce. See. So can you see the difference? Means what type of animation we are doing.
Yes.
Can you do this? A snake effect on a building, or let's say there's a big pillar. This is rotating on it, something like. So even you can do this on a transparent one. Take an image and you can transparent. Okay, try this. This as a snake effect you try. So this is right on. So this again from generate. So try that. Now these are immersive video. You know, virtual reality videos and all we can create. So for that, basically it will create two different channel. One is left eye and right eye videos. Okay. Any video we can create into two. So VR converter, if you have to go, there are two sources like this. Sixteen is to one. Input is one, output is another, like that. So this gear VR means, you know, you get a VR box and all, right? For that, you know, it will choose. So fisheye is full down, you get. Rectangular, rectangular. So basically, it's go with the left eye and right eye. Let's see. Okay. Let's say immersive technology. Plane to sphere, VR sharpen, sphere to plane. This is other things. Okay. Anyhow, we will be learning this separately. So when we are working, because for this we need to have a 3D layers and all other elements and all we need to include. So we can do that separately. Anyhow, we will see augmented reality. See, when we are working on 3D, we will be creating 3D footages. We will render 3D footages from Maya. So that time we will see this. Okay. Immersive technology. Everything is related to that only. Okay. We are glow. So for that you should have a alpha channel in the footage only. Alpha is nothing but black and white. Only those channels are required. So next go to keying. Guys, keying we have seen many things. Key light, inner key, all this we have seen. Let's say we'll see one in this. Spill suppressor means when you are working on keying, when you remove certain things. So there are certain spills will be there, certain green elements will be there. Still green areas will be there. For that we can use this, not for this footage. Let me import a footage first. Screen. Okay, it's importing. So now under effect keying, let me extract a key. I'll take this key light. So automatically it is gone. Some few key light actually will do the perfect job. So that's why, you know, we will not get additional spills and all. Let's say if it is not key light, uh, but there are some other footages where if the lighting is not proper, even with the key light, some green areas here and here it will be there. Okay. Some key light here and here it will be there. That time, you know, we need to work on the spill. advanced pill suppressor. Ultra is a high quality. So now see, I'm turning on advanced pill suppressor. Automatically it's gone. See, let's I'll delete both. What you have to do, just take this keying advanced pill suppressor automatically. Here also the green elements will be there, that is gone with this. Now, so when green is there, here also some green elements are there, green color bounces are there. Now with keying, if you go with key light, there are two things. This, this. There's a color difference actually, slight difference is there. You get to see the difference. Okay. So ultra is nothing but it will add a background also. Um, it will desaturate the element, foreground element. Spill range. Manually even you can work on this color as well. Standard. Okay. So try this. This looks good. This is a bit advanced. Okay. Then under key light you have color. Okay, wire removal is another task that we will see. Normally in the action sequence and all, a character or hero, he jumps from one place to another. So there wherein or else in the same place, he'll perform a certain action while jumping, some extreme moves. So for those things and all, it is a wire. Wire will be placed or tied on the character. So when the person jumps, with the lift of the pull of the wire only, he'll move. So we can remove those wires and all. That's called wire removal. We will see that separately in the next class. Wire removal that itself takes one session. So color difference, again, in everything we have this color key. See, color, even though if we remove this, certain green areas are there. So you have multiple things. Let's say under color difference, it's like a blending mode when you're working on with multi-layer. So you get an output like this. Let's say, for example, in the movies and all, you might have seen a person is watching a thermal, using binocular or a thermal screener device. Okay, he's looking at a, in a scene. So where heat sensors are there, no? Heat sensor elements or characters will be shown. So that effect you can achieve. See, this is a source, A corrected, uncorrected, and corrected. B, this is another effect. So you can try this. Okay, color difference looks good. Okay, plus minus you can add green, it will remove. Even you can add this particular color, it will remove. Means percentage, how much percentage you want to add, you want to remove that. That's fuzziness. Means under color range you can do that. Okay. So even manually you can work on things. Okay, that's right. That's color range. Multiple plus or minus you can do. Then again keying, difference matte. Okay, this is from matte. We'll see this separately. Okay. So extract, you can extract particular color, red color, green color. Okay, in this you see it's invert. You can play with this. So red tones, this is how it works. Red tone, green tone, blue tone, alpha. Okay, that's how it works. So it's called extract. So when you're actually working on certain major green screen work and all, you will be using these things. But anyhow, under keying, the best preferred is key light. Okay. Um, for negative effect, for heat sensor effect, you can go with color difference key. CC simple wire removal, that is another task. Wire removal work I'll show you later. So preferable in this is key light. Okay. Linear key is also another one. This is the original, this is the final output it looks. So linear key shows before and after output. Okay. So using RGB, what is output? Using hue, what is output? So you removed everything. Using chroma, this is one. Okay. It's so clean. Instant. Fine. So cleaner, key light. Cleaner is nothing but you use a key light. Then if you want to go with the cleaner, little bit majorly you can work. Alpha contrast, strength. Okay. So it looks good. Actually, when you look into when you zoom things, you will understand. Okay, that's key light and key light and cleaner. Okay. So any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then it is noise and grain. Okay, some perspective outputs. Okay, then some simulation. Simulation and all takes time. So noise and grain and perspective we'll try to finish tomorrow. Then we'll go with simulation. Okay. So simulation is having particle effect. Any doubt is there up to here?
No, sir.
Okay. So show me the output, you know, whatever you have done till now. Is it ready? Are you able to show now? Or will you WhatsApp me?
The
Hmm? No, whatever you have done, just WhatsApp me. Let me see that. Okay. Okay. Fine then, guys. Tomorrow we'll have session. So let's wind this today. And I'll share this both the videos now after the class. Okay. Okay then. Fine. I'll share you the video. So have a good day. Share me the assignment work, whatever you have done. Okay.
Okay, I'll send it
Yeah.
just now.
Okay. That's great. Bye.